story in Karnataka. Rapido and Uber bike taxis are finally back. Big relief certainly for people who are waiting for it. Many in Bengaluru particularly believe that there's no end-to-end transport. Metros are there, but there's no end-to-end transport. So bike taxis was really integral, not just for people as commuters, but also lakhs of people who banked on it for their livelihood. They made money out of actually registering with Rapido and Uber and helping people with their rides. So it seems like the app services has resumed bike taxis after 67-day pause, nearly 2.5 months. Now this comes amid a division bench of the Karnataka High Court pulling up the state government of Karnataka for a blanket ban on bike taxis, calling this ban as illegitimate and saying that the business itself is legal, slamming why the government of Karnataka could not come up with a proper policy to ensure that it functions. Says that this is arbitrary and reasonable to ban bike taxis and violates Article 14 and 19(1)(g). The court warning that lives are at stake and the government must frame a comprehensive policy to ensure this is back. So, Transport Minister Ramlinga Reddy says there's no go-ahead from the court as yet. There's no certainty whether it is back. But well, we are going to look into a proper comprehensive policy to introduce it back again. But after the court's order, it seems like apps like Uber, Rapido have already started bike taxis. Ola has not yet started. But well, if you are looking for one, it seems like the services are back and running.